Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and this is Accelerando Piano Excerpts. These short videos are taken from my longer tutorials. They're highly focused and present one specific topic. While you won't necessarily get all the context you would from viewing the original tutorial, these are perfect if you're just after the simple, straightforward facts and how-to. Now we come to the melodic minor scale. And this is probably the trickiest one because it's different on the way up than it is on the way down. Like the harmonic scale, we need to make some alterations. So let's use our A minor example again. Here is A natural minor, the unaltered form. For the melodic minor scale, we need to raise the 6th and 7th degrees of the scale up a semitone on the way up. So let's check out that first. The 6th note of A minor is F. The 7th is our G. They get replaced with F sharp and G sharp. On the way back down, you basically cancel out what you just did. So you lower the 6th and 7th notes by a semitone. So instead of playing F sharp and G sharp, that G sharp returns back to G natural. That F sharp returns back to F natural. And you carry on down. So I'll play that whole scale. So here comes raised 6th, raised 7th. Lower them again on the way back down. So that is our golden rule for melodic minor scales. On the way up, you raise the 6th and 7th degrees a semitone. On the way back down, you undo what you just did and you lower the 6th and the 7th degrees by a semitone. Notice on the music that those sharps are accidentals. They're coming along the way in the scale. They are not written in the key signature. And here's our ordering of tones and semitones for the melodic minor. You'll notice that it's not the same going up and down. And of course, that's because the notes are different when it's ascending and descending. This ordering of tones and semitones will be exactly the same for every melodic minor in every key. I've created a resource for this tutorial, which you can see up on the screen. You can download this from my Accelerando Piano website and use it as a reference whenever you like.